Hey, what's up guys? So we're still working on Kev's F-150. So today we're going to do an oil change, and then later on we're going to hit the interior. So we're just kind of getting everything nice and clean up for him. But anyways, we're working with the 2018 F-150 XLT with a 2.7 liter EcoBoost. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and show you guys where all the parts are. So it's a top mount oil filter, which is kind of strange, but it is right here. And we'll go through each of the tools that you're going to need as we progress to it. And then next we're going to go ahead and get underneath the car, and we've already got the skid plate taken off from underneath here. It's just 4 bolts that attach, and they're all 8 millimeters. And so right here we have our drain plug. So what we're going to do is basically, it's supposed to be about a quarter turn or a half a turn. We'll turn that, and then after that we'll take the filter off, and then we've got to change out some O-rings before we put everything back together and fill her back up. So anyways guys, give me 1 second and we'll demonstrate all of this for you. All right guys, so we've got our pan right here for our oil, and here we go. So once again, we're going to get up in here and just do a quick turn, and she should start flowing here in a moment. Well, this has proven to be a little bit more difficult than it should. All right, so I had to use my other finger to try and get it turned a little bit more, so we will just go ahead and let her flow out. And that's it for now. So we are gonna go up top and get the oil filter off as well, and kind of get things cleaned up and tidied up. So we'll see you in just a sec. All right, and we're back. So now it's time to remove the oil filter. Remember, it's a top mount, so it's right up here. We're using a 1 1/16 inch extension on a 3/8 inch ratchet, and
it's just tight.
So this is rated at 24 foot-pounds when you tighten it back up. We are having to use a ladder to get to it, so not as much leverage. So we've got that off. So we'll get this taken off, and we'll see you right back in a sec. All right guys, so we're taking off the O-rings right now. Kev's working on that. So essentially you can either use the razor blade like we've been doing to get these off, or you can use a pick, like a dental pick, or anything else that's going to be able to get underneath where you got to get. And then also the key is to not mar any of the surfacing on the plastic. And then this last one is a little bit more difficult due to it's thick and small size all at the same time. So kind of get in here. It's a little dangerous. Danger. Well, watch yourself.
Yeah, this one might have to just get cut.
Yep. So since these are getting replaced, you can just cut them if you want to. This one is relatively tricky, so key is not to injure yourself. But we're gonna keep working on this one, and then we will see you guys back here in just a second. All right, guys. So we messed up a little bit. We ended up having to go back to the store to grab another one of these O-rings. I do not recommend using pliers to get them off, but everything's set up and ready to get back installed. So we're going to be using a torque wrench. Again, the specification for that in order to put the filter back on is 24 foot-pounds. So we've already got that dialed in. So we will get that done, and then afterwards we'll start filling the truck back up with oil. Hey, so just 1 second, we're finishing filling up the oil right now. Just want to give you guys an overview one more time of where these parts were located at. So again, it's a top mount oil filter, which as you can see from the entire bay, it is located right in front of the engine. So just remember that, and that requires a 1 1/16 inch socket in order to take off. And then let's go up back underneath the vehicle. Oh shoot, I didn't go far enough up, guys. So, and then again, this is the shroud that you're going to take off from underneath in order to reach the yellow drain plug that's located right here. So, and again, it's connected via 4 bolts that are 8 millimeters a piece. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Remember, stay quarantine clean.